YouTube begins now. Alright, so when these two cards were in the tin I got, and they are actually pretty cool. There's a Lunala and another one I did not know even existed. I'm actually glad that I got two good cards, and I'll show you the rest of the cards in a second. This is a time bomb. This is Psyduck, and I got two of him in this set, but don't worry. If you are just gonna wanna watch this video quick and you gotta go somewhere, you wanna finish it, just don't worry, because I'm not gonna do all the cards that I got. I'm just gonna do the good cards that I got. And if you wanna see all the cards, I'm making another video on that, and you can check that out. And this is Psyduck. This is the old Charmander, and I have a lot of these guys. And these are basically evolved into Charizard. Yep, so that's Charmander. This is a trainer, Pidgeot, Spirit Link. So you'll get a lot of really good cards, so I would recommend buying this. Of course you're not going to get the exact same cards, you're probably going to get one of the same cards, but probably not the ones I showed you because those are only some of them. Like I said again, I'm going to make another video with all of them I'll show you. I would recommend buying this set, and I enjoyed what I got. I'll let you have one last look.